Today our topic is get hyphen member command. So how to use get hyphen member command. So let's verify. Okay, I'm giving before that what is get hyphen member command. Uh, for what this command is used. So I'll explain about the command. Mainly this command let retrieves information about .NET objects, and it displays the properties and methods of the object. Taking about talking about the members of the objects. So let's verify some of the examples. Okay, suppose I'm going to give a dollar on Kiran. So just giving is equal to, and this is Kiran. Okay, so if I execute, okay, dollar Kiran is a variable is equal to, this is a Kiran. If you type dollar Kiran, it will display the information. This is the Kiran. So whatever the command is executed, it will store in the variable dollar Kiran. You can give any name itself. Okay, so how the get hyphen member command will can be display properties and methods. Let's verify. Okay, now uh, you can type like this, or else we'll type here in the IC command window. Okay, let's dollar Kiran. Okay, and we'll give the pipe symbol and get hyphen member. Okay, let's select this one and execute command. So it's showing all the methods: clone, compare, contains, copy to, all the methods, and we have only one property. Okay, and for that I'll show you how to verify these methods and properties. So let's go to here. I'm going to execute dollar Kiran. Okay, and just I'll give the length. Okay, if I select this one and execute, the length of the content is 13 characters. So see, this is the 4 letters and space 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 characters is the length. And if you go to again dollar Kiran, if you mention uh, top, upper, okay, and close the bracket, if you select, it will give the output with the uppercase. See, I have added here the lowercase, and if I add dot variable dot to upper bracket close, it shows in the capital letters. Same thing, like we can go for small letter like this. Okay, and to lower and close the bracket. If you select this line and execute, it show all the letters are in lowercase. Like this we can get the information. This is the with the command of get member. Okay, and I'll do another one thing. I'll show you, and Kiran, or else we'll do one thing. We'll have right down here Kiran hyphen pipe get hyphen member and space hyphen member type and properties. If you want to see the properties of dollar Kiran, and you can select this line and execute. See, the name is length, and member type is property, and definition is int length. So this is the information. So if you want to verify the methods, you can verify the methods itself. Methods, let's see. Yeah, it will give the output of methods. How many methods are there? Insert, index, get type. You'll get all the information can be um, give the output of the objects. So this is one. With the help of get command, we can have information. And another one thing I want to show you. Um, let's see. Dollar Ravi is equal to get hyphen process. Okay, let's see if we execute. So get hyphen processes, all the information has been stored in the dollar Ravi. So same thing, will type Ravi and execute. It will show all the processes which are running on this machine, and it is stored in the dollar Ravi. Like this you can verify, and you can get the properties itself. Okay, get member, get hyphen member. You can verify the properties and methods of this. So here for get hyphen process, we have so many properties, methods, alias property. So we have multiple things here. We can get these information. Okay, and thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you like this video, click on like and share my video, and click on bell icon, so that if I upload more videos, you'll get an alert. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.